Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave Analysis, and of course starting on the 1 hour chart, we are still looking at a very bloody red day. So I think this was of course expected. As you can see, our target are already in this zone area between the 1.618 and the 1.38 fib level, of course, for a Bitcoin. And that because after topping here for a wave 5 with a very high amount of volume, of course this is your wave 5, where you probably have finished your wave 3 in the yellow scenario, you are looking for a bigger correction as a B, and a C towards the downside. So it's an expanding flat, of course, where your wave C has to reach as a common target 1.618 around the 87,500. Now, as you can see, the volume here is start to move towards the downside slowly, knowing that we are bleeding very strongly, but the volume has started to, of course, decrease. And that is a signal that this trend is a very soon it's gonna be ended, of course. And be careful from ending, of course, around the 1.38. It's an uncommon target for OFC, but it can be, of course. So yeah, it might start to reverse maybe somewhere here, or yeah, maybe it still can be finished, as we said yesterday, as a running flat. A running flat where the wave C finish in 5 waves as diagonal here. We're gonna, of course, change this label count because, of course, this is a diagonal volume here, ending diagonal volume that we are looking at, where it starts with a very high amount of volume for wave 1, then a mid for your wave 3, then a very low volume for your wave 5. So basically, this is what's going on here. Let's change this. And as we said yesterday, yeah, because your wave 1 has a very huge amount of volume, I was saying that this is gonna end up somehow differently, right? Not because if we get like very deep wave 3 and we want to see a higher volume than this one, that means we're gonna breach this target, and yeah, it's a bearish scenario, of course, but I think in this case we are not. So what we are looking at here is probably this is your wave 3, this is your wave 4, and this is your wave 1, a big wave 1, where we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So possibly, guys, that we have finished even. Yeah, so be careful with it. I know that it might sound very optimistic, but in this bloody day, but yeah, this is the market, right? This is how it is. So if we take the fib level taken from here as well for a diagonal wave 5, let's see. So these are your targets, perfect. Yeah, so we are inside the perfect target for a wave 5. Now, breaking the 1-to-1 fib level at 91,000, of course, this will transform it to something else because this wave 5 will became, of course, longer than your wave 3, which is not allowed in diagonal. So it will invalidate the diagonal, and it will transform it directly to 1-2, 1-2, and then wave 3 towards the downside, which is very bearish, guys. Um, yeah, so in that case scenario, as you can see, if we break this, then guys, we are very bearish. Um, but I doubt it. I think we are even finished here. I think, of course, possibility. It's a possibility that we finished. It can be, of course, a running flat and then start to move towards the upside. So if we get any strength signal here, it might be, of course, that we have finished this wave towards the downside, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like an ending diagonal with impulses. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yes, this is also an impulse for wave 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's true. So we need to see an impulse here. Let me check. 15-minute chart. Okay. Oh, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it doesn't look like an impulse even. Yeah, very shaky one. It's not really good as an impulse. This is a wave 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5. Your wave 5 is longer than your wave 3, and and wave 3 is the shortest. So yeah, basically it should be finished. In case that this is in an impulse, let me check just the length. Sorry, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, your wave 5 is much way longer, so it doesn't work. Yeah, I think it should be finished. I think internally it can be finished. Let me check 5 minutes. I don't like this last wave because it is not very clear. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your wave 3. 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, now it is clearer. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and a 5. It looks like your wave 5 still need one more leg towards the downside to finish. So that's it, guys. Sorry for taking time on this, but yeah, it looks like we are very close to finish. It is preferably that we finish here, guys, and we don't take the 91,257. I know that as an expanding flat, I gave those targets here, but now the formation of this impulse, it will be very, very critical if we take those targets, because if we're gonna take it, we're gonna create a wave 3 exactly here, which is not good, guys. This is gonna transform all of those at triple 1-2s, which is totally a bearish scenario, guys. Yeah. So preferably that we don't take those level right now. It was preferably that the impulse was 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But in that case, it didn't. It didn't. And look at the volume. It has ended in ending diagonal probably. So yeah, preferably to finish here and start to look for a strength signal towards the upside. Now one more leg maybe towards the downside and moving up is very, very possible. So that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.